Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be talking on the first organometallic compound, that is Jesus salt. Jesus salt is platinum metal based salt. So in this picture you can see platinum at the center, and platinum is surrounded by these three chlorine atoms, and one bond of platinum is attached to ethylene molecule. So in this video I'll be talking on introduction of Jesus salt, synthesis of Jesus salt, structure of Jesus salt, and their characteristics. Now, introduction of Jesus salt. The first organometallic compound with the formula potassium K, platinum Pt, C2H4, ethylene Cl3, H2O. This compound or this salt was synthesized in 1827 by Danish pharmacist William Zeiss. You can see the photograph of William Zeiss. The name of this salt is potassium trichloroethylene platinate 2. Here platinum is in negative sphere, therefore end of the platinum is with Ate, and oxidation state or oxidation number of platinum is +2. It is an ionic compound because there are two spheres, positive and negative, potassium positive and platinum is a negative sphere. This salt was obtained by Jesus as a pale yellow crystals by reacting ethyl alcohol with K2PtCl6, that we'll see in synthesis part. Now synthesis of Jesus salt. Jesus salt was the first compound identified containing an organic molecule attached to a metal using the pi electrons of the former. So in this Jesus salt, platinum is attached to the ethylene molecule containing a pi bond. During his period, the Jesus period, this theory of coordination chemistry was not developed, and therefore this compound remained a mystery. Later, with this development of theories of coordination compounds, this compound was re-investigated and its structure was understood. Jesus synthesized yellow needle-like crystals after refluxing a mixture of PtCl4 and PtCl2 in ethanol, followed by the addition of KCl solution. Jesus showed that correct structure contained an ethylene group. This assertion was questioned by other chemists, Liebach, and was not verified conclusively until experiments performed by Birnbaum in 1868. However, the structure of the compound proved elusive and was not determined until more than 100 years later. You can see the reaction for the synthesis of this salt. It can be prepared also from K2PtCl4 and ethylene C2H4. You can see the reaction K2PtCl4 plus C2H4 in ethyl alcohol, and the salt is KPtC2H4 Cl3 plus KCl. Now the structure of this salt. In this structure you can see potassium is in positive sphere and platinum is in negative sphere. So you can see in this structure platinum is attached to three chlorine atoms and one bond of platinum is attached to this ethylene group. So this platinum is square planar. You can see this structure, chlorine, 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 and this carbon-carbon bond and chlorine. So this is square planar, platinum is square planar in Jesus salt. The chemical formula of Jesus salt is C2H6Cl3K oxygen Pt. By considering water molecule, then melting point of this salt is 220 degrees Celsius. Appearance of the salt is yellow to orange crystals, and molecular weight or molar mass is 386.60 grams per mole. Now the characteristics of Jesus salt. In the structure we have seen the platinum ion in the salt is 4 coordinated with 3 sides of this platinum occupied by 3 chloride ions and 4th site occupied by ethylene molecule. Therefore, the geometry of platinum is square planar. The pi electrons in ethylene are coordinated to the platinum metal. Overlap of the pi bonding orbital of the alkene with vacant sigma type orbital of platinum produces an ligand to metal bond of a sigma type. In addition to that, pi bond formed from the overlap of field orbital of platinum atom with the empty pi bonding orbital of the alkene. Now you can see here two types of bonds are formed, sigma and pi. So how sigma bond is formed? When electron is transferred from ethylene to metal, then sigma bond is formed. And when pi bond is formed, when electrons are transferred, or we can say back bonding of electrons from field orbitals of platinum to the empty orbitals of ethylene or alkene, then pi bond is formed. The ethylene molecule is called a pi bonding ligand. So pi bond is formed when platinum donates electron to the empty orbitals of ethylene. So pi bond is formed. The length of the connected alkene C carbon single bond carbon is 1.375 angstrom is greater than the carbon double bond carbon bond length is 1.337 angstrom. In the free ethylene molecule, the carbon double bond carbon bond is perpendicular to the molecular plane that we have seen in the structure. The originally planar ethylene becomes a non-planar on bonding itself to the platinum. The metal is located above the plane of the alkene symmetrically between the two skeletal carbon atoms. The water molecule present in the salt is not directly attached to the central metal atom but is accommodated in the lattice as a solvent molecule of crystallization. The two carbon atoms are almost equidistant from the platinum ion. The fourth site of platinum is attached to this carbon double bond carbon, and the distance of these two carbon atoms are almost similar from the platinum ion. For over a century, the ethylene molecule bonded in this complex remains unresolved. Then the structure was characterized by X-ray methods, IR Raman methods. So the crystal structure determination by X-ray, IR and Raman spectral data solved the correct structure of this Jesus salt. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.